Hi, I am Arun Sharma. I opted for this course in 2023. This course provides comprehensive overview of all marketing techniques and skills required to excel in this field. Additionally, this course covers all techniques such as brand management, business communication, strategic thinking. Instructors here are knowledgeable and engageful. They provide live examples and case studies to understand skills and techniques more effectively. Additionally, students here are given case studies to understand what they learned. I am confident that by learning this, I would excel in my field. I also recommend all of you to come here and enroll in this course. You will learn more gainful insights with the examples given by the instructors, and come and enjoy the campus life also. Thank you.